So how do you register on Binance? So simply put, you can find our platform by typing in the search bar www.binance.com, and essentially you'll be directed to our homepage, which you can see here. And there are essentially two buttons to register. You click on register now. It'll direct you to our landing page to register. You enter your email, password, and then what happens there is you will receive a verification code to then enter. As you can see here, you receive it via the email. This will contain about a 6-digit numerical code, and then you enter that into the verification code section. And then that's pretty much it. It's actually really simple to register an account. What we do find is we do have some users struggle to receive this email verification. So if that's the case, please double check your spam and junk folder. If it's still not there, you need to try to whitelist the Binance email address. And I've provided an FAQ guide right there to show you how to do this. But essentially, it allows you to manually receive emails from these Binance addresses. So that should solve the issue. If that still doesn't solve the issue, you can contact our live chat support, where you can speak to a customer support agent directly, and they'll be able to diagnose and further assist you with your email registration. So let's move on to the next section. So this next section, you actually need to prepare. So you actually need an ID documentation. This could be a passport, an ID card, or driver's license, and a photo of a selfie/headshot.